Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do some cooking. Yeah, and I got some. So today we're cooking liver. Yeah, and my kitchen is so small, so don't worry about the kitchen. We're going to use 2 big onions, and the secret to a good liver, you pour maziwa lala, yogurt, natural yogurt if you have that, or and then you pour like a small amount. You marinate it with this one, maziwa lala. Yeah, the reason for this is to avoid the I'll put it down why I've marinated like this. And then I'm gonna take garlic. This I've grated them, garlic and garlic and ginger. So I'm gonna put it like this on this. Yeah, so this liver I'm gonna cook it with ugali and cabbage. So I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for because I don't have time. I'm gonna let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes so it can marinate. Yeah, so that's the liver. I'm gonna place it aside and let it marinate. I'm gonna use, as I told you, 2, and I used 2 cloves of garlic. I use this kind of garlic because it's the organic garlic, not the white one. Sorry if you can't see me because I don't have my whatever. Yeah, so, and the cabbage, so it's gonna go with ugali and cabbage, my liver. So if you like the videos that I cook, I show my cooking and what I do in a day, please like this video, thumbs it up, and stay subscribed and turn the notification on. So thank you for those that are commenting. From now onwards I'm gonna stop commenting to hate comments and just ignore them because life is so much sweet. Okay, let me do.
So hi again. So now I'm gonna show you how to cook my ugali. We use corn flour, and when your water has really boiled, let me put this in. When your water has really boiled, when your it's boiling, that's when you drop your flour. You want to put flour. You put flour on the water, and then again, you let it boil before you start stirring. Then you let it boil before you start stirring the flour. And then cabbage. So you see the ugali is boiling right now. So that's when you start stirring. And my liver is there. So that's when you start stirring. You stir and stir and stir. Then you add this and this. And that's how we cook the ugali. If you like this video, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. So I already cut my onions for the liver, but now I'm waiting for the cabbages to start. So yeah, so then what?
You keep on turning until it's like this. I hope you're seeing. Maybe we zoom you in. And this is my ugali. Yeah, and you cook in high medium heat. So my ugali is now cooked. Yeah, you see it? Yeah, it's now cooked. So I'm gonna put it in a plate. Yeah. In the pan for, so it looks like this, and here's my ugali. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it upside down. Don't try this at home. Yeah, my ugali. So now it's time for the liver maini. Yeah. Ouch. The kitchen is so small. Very small. I wish for. So guys, I've joined a funding, can you say that, called Patreon. I'll write it here and I will put it in the description down below so that I can afford to buy a tripod, because like right now I just put my camera on top of let me show you where I've put my camera. So I want to buy a tripod and a MacBook Pro. So guys, if you want to support me, I'll link the description down below. It's called Patreon. Yeah. So this is where I put my camera. See? This is where I put. Yeah. And the other time I was putting it on top of the fridge. Let's see what's on the fridge. So got milk for my niece. Got eggs, tomatoes, maziwa lala, bananas. I got some bananas from Nakumatt. I got tomatoes again, a rice, leftover rice, and I've got nothing on the freezer. Bam! Because I cook every single day. So guys, everything is gone a lot. Let me try it. What's in my fridge? So let's just cook, guys. Let's stop doing nonsense. Now when your oil is totally hot, and when I mean hot, that's when it drops. That's when you drop your onion. Be careful. That's when you drop your onions. When your oil is so hot and the temperature is medium high.
Mom said there is fruit.
You're going to eat another one?
Yes.
Another banana?
No.
What are you going to eat now?
This orange.
There's no orange. There's an orange. That's tomato. Prank on you. Let's drink some water. So my water, I infused it with ginger and garlic. I'm really bad at taking water. So, you let the onions cook for 3 to 2 minutes. Let them be crunchy as fuck. As air. Yeah. And always drink your water. So this bottle is 1 liter. And it helps me monitor my drinks. And it's really good for your skin. Water is really good for your skin. So I've decided not to reply to hate comments. Yeah, so who needs to waste their energy on people who are just eating, obviously. Like there's this one commenter, her name starts with B. I think she knows herself. She keeps on watching my videos, but she keeps on commenting very bad. I think she is a fan. So I'm not gonna waste my energy. The world is already a messy place. Why should I waste energy on just a commenter? No. Okay, I don't know English. Like I don't know which English they want me to speak. American English, and I'm Kenyan. I speak Kenyan English. I write American English. My English is perfectly well. I don't have an accent. My English. So yeah, that's all. So now I'm just gonna drink water for every hate comment I get. I'm just gonna drink water. I'm gonna have a sip of water. Yeah, let's go back to cooking. Okay, now I'm gonna start and I'll show you the next process, what I'm doing. take 1 teaspoon. I always measure myself because I'm really bad at putting salt, and drop on the onions. Then I'm gonna use my tomato paste. And here is my mahini. It has been draining so that it can be pan fried. Yeah. And I put like a tablespoon. I don't measure this one. I just put like this. It's enough. And then I stir. Then I'm gonna show you when I put the
now the onions, I'm gonna zoom. Now the onions are red and hot. Now you drop your liver on the pan. Don't stir them. Just let them be like that for, just separate like this. And let them sit like for 3 minutes. Let it sit for 3 minutes. The heat is very important. Your heat should be medium high. That's really important in cooking. That's the temperature you want to cook in. So let them sit there for now. So now it's 3 minutes. I'm gonna turn them over. So now this is my food and it's ready. My mayonnaise is ready. See how yummy it looks. I told you guys I love cooking. You see how it is? So yummy. I'm gonna put it on a plate here. See how yummy it looks. I love onions. I love so much onions. And let's stick together. Favorite food. I don't know much about presentation. You guys, I thought like you like when you watch people eat. So I'm gonna put you here. Look, here I'm putting it. Yeah, I'm gonna put you here. And then I'm gonna eat. So, here's our food. Welcome. So tell me guys what's your, yeah, and we eat with our hands. Tell me your desires in life and what you like about my video. It's really good. The food is really good. We eat with our hands. You see it? Wow, this food is really good. So good. What do you like doing? That is my first time showing what how I eat.
Hi guys again. So I'm so bored right now and I'm at home, and I always do this when I'm bored. I do my face mask. It's coffee, medium grade coffee, and not the instant one, and turmeric and the egg white. So the coffee smells so good. So this mask, I can totally recommend it for hyperpigmentation skin. Yeah, I have dark circles, dark spots a lot. So you leave it for 20 minutes, and then when you're washing it, you scrub it off, like you exfoliate. So that's what I do with my face. So thank you guys for watching and so subscribing. I'm also in a place funding support called Patreon. If you like, I'll link down below and you can support me. Yeah, thank you.